Here we're going to find the distance between two fractions using a number line. So first let's find the distance between A and B, the red and blue dot. So our first step is to figure out what our denominator is. The denominator is the number of parts a whole number is broken into. So if we think about the distance between 0 and 1, this is a whole number. How many parts is that divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or the distance between 1 and 2, how many parts is that divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our denominator is going to be 5. Now let's count how many parts are between A and B. So we're just going to start with 1 point and we're going to hop to the other. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 parts. So the answer is 3/5. Now let's do the same for finding the distance between C and D, the purple and green dot. So our first step is to figure out how many parts a whole number is broken into. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our denominator is 4. Now let's figure out how many parts are between C and D. So again, you just pick 1 point and you hop to the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6/4. Now on our last one, we have a positive and a negative, and then they also didn't plot our points. So our first step is to plot those 2 points. 2/3. So let's just confirm that a whole number is broken up into 3 parts. So just pick any whole number. So how about between 0 and 1? That's a whole number. Yep, it's divided into 1, 2, 3 parts. So our denominator is 3, and that's what these fractions are showing as well, so that's good. So for a positive fraction, you always start at 0, and you're going to move to the right. So in this case, we're moving to the right 2 parts. So right here is 2/3. And then for a negative number, we're starting at 0, but we're moving to the left. So we're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So this is -5/3. Now this is very similar to our other ones. We're just finding the distance between these 2 points. Again, our denominator is 3 because a whole number is divided into 3 parts, and we're just going to hop from 1 point to the next. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7/3.